Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. For today, I want to show you guys something a little bit different. Um, there's normally when I'm out shooting, I would use my Android phone, which is my Samsung S10 Plus, to do some shooting. But the issue that I've been seeing is that every time I use the front-facing camera, it changes how the text appears. So the text appears backwards. So it's something that needs to be fixed in post or during your editing process. And so I want to show you guys how to do that today in Premiere Pro. So now that we have Premiere Pro open, let's look at a clip. And so we'll do new project. I'll call this project, well, we're actually mirroring. So I'll call this project, how to mirror. Okay. We want to get a clip imported. So I had a clip that I recorded already on my S10 Plus earlier. So we'll do, and you normally can just drag some of these stuff in. So video, clip, and I'll use this clip that I had earlier. So we're importing in the clip that I'll use, and this one is recorded from the front of the camera. Don't mind the low lighting issue. So every time I play the clip, this is what happens. The backplay is backwards. So to fix that, we actually need to mirror through the clip itself. So normally what you'll do is that you'll select the clip, you will go into your effects. We're looking for a video effect. Choose distort, transform. So take that transform and you'll drag it onto the clip itself, and that should appear up here under your effects control. So we're looking for transform. You need to unselect uniform scale, and we're at the scale width, which we want to change. It's actually at 100, so we want to make it a negative 100. So you add a negative in front of the 100 and OK. So there we go. So that fixes that particular clip. Now when we play it, the clip is actually showing the text on your garment in the right order, right, or the way it belongs. So you're not, the people who are looking at the video don't know that you did a front face recording using your particular Android phone or Apple or phone that you're using, right? So again, let me go through the steps just to make sure we understand. So once you have imported in your clips, you can then look for the transform feature in the effects menu, and that is under video effects, distort, and then we're looking for transform. You then drag that onto the particular clip that you want to transform, and go here under the effects for that particular clip, uncheck. The first step is to uncheck uniform scale, and then you'll change the scale width to a negative 100. It's as easy as that to transform your images so that you can have the text on the particular garment that you're using corrected, or that you can just mirror an image. So if you're changing direction, let's say you're driving in one direction and you're recording that way, but you want it to appear like you're in the other direction, then you can just mirror that image. Where I also see this useful is that sometimes you're recording in your vehicles and you're using the front face camera, but to you it seems off like you're on the other side of the vehicle a bit. It's just because of the mirrored effect. So once you mirror it back properly, then you should be okay having a clip the normal way that you're used to. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I put out a new video. I'm planning to do a bunch of different tips or stuff that I use in Premiere Pro that may be useful, right? So I recently started Premiere Pro, so I'm not a master of Premiere Pro, but I know that the tips that I'll give you will come in useful for when you're preparing your projects. So, like always, be safe, have fun, and go geek yourself.